For many years, SDT conducted a physics in motion science program to over 25,000 students around Australia. A new blended format is available where students complete several online modules about braking, G-force, speed measurement, and vehicle dynamics. And then they attend a training venue for a 2-hour hands-on session which looks at braking distances, kinetic energy, Newton's laws of motion, and vehicle safety systems. SDT also offers a program where our instructors come to your school with a simulator trailer and conduct a 4-hour safe driving workshop targeted at Year 10 students. Students will collect data to complete a program workbook which includes physics elements like Newton's laws of motion, coefficients of friction, kinetic energy, and braking distances. A safe driving lecture and impairment experience using Fatal Vision alcohol, drug, and drowsy goggles is also included.